Good morning, yogis. Welcome to my channel. My name is Cassandra, and I'm going to take you through a very quick morning yoga stretch to help you get ready for the day ahead. So let's begin by taking a seat. Roll your shoulders back, down and away from your ears. Let your spine be long. Taking a few cleansing breaths so that you can ground and connect here. Whenever we do a morning practice, I always like to set an intention, not only for our time on the mat, but really for the entire day ahead. And my favorite way to set intentions is by choosing one word. So what's one word that represents how you want to feel today? And just bring your fingertips back behind you. Staying up high on your fingertips, push into your chest, lifting up. And you can bend your elbows a little bit, trying to bring your elbows towards one another, stretching into your shoulders. And coming all the way back to center, reach your right arm all the way up and over. And you can circle that arm down so that you're folding a little bit more towards your knee. Walking your arms out. Keep pressing into your sit bones so you're not lifting off of your mat. Just stretching here into our low back. And coming all the way back through to center. You might change the cross of your legs so you have your other shin on top and find your side bend to the other side. Lots of lift, big side body stretch here. Try to relax your jaw and your neck and keep circling that top arm down so you're facing over towards your knee, crawling the arms out as far as they can go as you fold. Let your head be heavy. And coming all the way out. I'm just gonna turn so I'm facing forward here. Straighten both legs out in front of you into your staff pose. Plant your palms down into the floor. Roll your shoulders back and really push into your heels. So as if you were going to push into the floor and lift yourself off of the mat. Just super straight here into your spine. And then bend into your right knee. You're going to cross your foot over your thigh, hugging it in with your left arm. Bring your right fingertips behind you, open into a twist. Use the support of your right fingertips to lift and lengthen out of your lower back. Keep checking in with your breath, setting your intention for the day. All right, now this will most likely be challenging first thing in the morning, but we're going to take a deep stretch into the hamstrings. See if you can stack your right knee on top of your left. Maybe just doing this, you already feel it in your left leg. You might be able to crawl your hands forward as you fold. Don't worry about how far you make it in this pose. It is intense. What a great way to invigorate in the morning. And lift all the way up. Uncross your legs. Bend into both knees. Plant into your palms. Reverse tabletop pose as you squeeze into your glutes to push your hips up. And exhale to release into your staff pose. Straight arms, straight spine, straight legs. Lift and grow taller. This is an activating pose. And pull your left knee in, cross it over. We'll find our twist to the other side. Wrap your right arm around your thigh. Use the support of your left hand Just straighten your spine a little more. No slouching here. And release the twist. Try to stack your left knee over your right one, and maybe you just work sitting up high, or you can start to fold on down. Invite your right leg to relax, your shoulders to soften. And uncurl to lift. One last time into that reverse reverse tabletop pose. Plant your palms down, push into the feet, lift on up. Open through your chest. And exhale to release. Let's find our puppy pose stretch on hands and knees. Keep your hips directly over the top of your knees and start to walk your hands forward, melting your heart and your forehead down to the floor. And you might choose to stay here, or you can intensify this by bringing your hands together, bending your elbows, and bringing your thumbs towards the back of your neck, back of your head. Taking a few breaths here. Straighten the arms, walk your hands in, and let's find downward facing dog. Hands are shoulder width distance apart, feet are hip width distance apart. Tuck the toes under as you lift your hips up and back. And as you inhale, lift your heels up and ripple all the way forward like a wave into your plank pose. Bend your knees and ripple that wave all the way back to downward dog. 2 more like this. Inhale through to plank. Exhale, downward dog. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. In this downward dog, go ahead and just paddle the feet, moving in any way that feels intuitive to you here. Let's reach our right leg up to the sky, bend your knee, open up your hip. Big stretch. You might even trace a circle with your knee. Back to your down dog, switch sides, left leg up, bend your left knee, open up your hip. Maybe taking a circle here on this side as well. And downward facing dog, lower all the way down to your belly. Coming into your Cobra Pose, push your feet into the floor, push into your hands, keep your elbows in. Exhale to release. Press back wide like a child's pose. Big toes together, knees as wide as you would like them to be as you reach your hips to your heels, forehead to the mat. Connecting once more to your word of the day, what you want to focus on. And walk your hands back, just sitting on your heels if that's comfortable to you. If not, you can just sit in any other way. Just going to focus on shoulders and upper back here at the end. Elbows out in front of you, wrap your right arm under your left, binding once or twice. Shoulders down, elbows lifted, hands moving away from you, and then maybe tuck your chin down. And inhale, open up your arms and go to the other side. Left elbow under the right once or twice. Again, shoulders down, elbows up, hands move away from you, and you can tuck your chin to your chest. Inhale, open up and expand. And you might bring your fingertips behind you like what we did at the beginning of class. If you can, maybe your hips lift up as well. Big stretch. And release. Come to take a seat in any way that is comfortable for your hips and for your lower back. Join your hands together at the front of your heart. And we'll close with the chant of Om. Inhale to chant. Big breath in. Om. Namaste. Thank you so much, yogis, for doing this morning practice with me. I hope you feel ready to begin your day. Keep connecting to that one word intention that you've chosen, and I would love to know what it is so you can really solidify your commitment to this intention by just typing it and leaving it in the comment below. If you'd like to stay a little longer, I'll recommend this meditation right here that you can do to really start your day with a positive mindset. Thank you so much. Namaste.